The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to try to solve for the coordinates of point A, and to do that I will just need to solve this as simultaneous equations. So I'm going to let the graph of L1, which is 4y plus x is equal to 48, which is x is equal to 48 minus 4y. I'm going to let this be my first equation. Then for L2, I have 3y, which is equal to 4x minus 40. This, I'm going to let it be equation number 2. So if I were to substitute equation number 1 into equation number 2, that means I'm going to have 3y is equal to 4 times of x, which is 48 minus 4y minus 40. If I were to bring out the y over to the left hand side, I'm going to have 19y, and this is 152, so y is equal to 8. And if I were to substitute y is equal to 8 back into equation number 1, that means x is going to be equal to 48 minus 4 times of 8, and this is equal to 16. Which means that the coordinates of A is going to be equal to 16 and 8. So here we have gotten 16 and 8. And M being the midpoint, M will be just simply 0 plus 16 divided by 2 and 0 plus 8 divided by 2, because M being the midpoint of O and A. So this tells me that the coordinates of M is going to be 8 and 4. So this point here is 8, 4. Then I'm going to find the coordinates of C. And to find the coordinates of C, I'm going to make use of this line L2. So I'm going to let y be equal to 0 for this, which means that it is 3 times of 0 is equal to 4x minus 40. And this will get me x to be equal to 10. So the coordinates of C is going to be 10, 0. So this point here is 10, 0. And the reason why I'm trying to find these points here is because I'm going to try to find what is the gradient of OM and the gradient of OC by comparing the gradients. If they are multiplied to be equal to -1, then I can prove that the angle OMC is 90 degrees. That means I can then prove that this angle here is 90 degrees. So let me find the gradient of OM, and that will be equal to taking the coordinates of M, 4 minus 0 divided by 8 minus 0, it is equal to half. And if I were to find the gradient of, let's say, CM, that will be equal to 4 minus 0 divided by 8 minus 10. This is equal to minus 2. So if I were to let this be, let's say, MOM, and let this be M of CM. If I were to take MOM multiply by MCM, this is equal to half multiplied by minus 2, which is minus 1. And that is why I can now conclude that the angle OMC is 90 degrees.